I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video playlist is on knives, either kitchen knives, pocket knives, hunting knives, anything. I just have a fascination with knives, and one of my hobbies is collecting them. Now, I don't always collect the most expensive knives. I just buy and keep what I think is pretty cool at the time, and later on, if I don't like them, I trade them. Anyway, walking through Walmart yesterday, found this one, $5.97. Notice I didn't have it, or I don't remember having it, so I thought I'd purchase it and see how I like it. So, 7-inch folding knife, plastic scales on it. Here is the information on it if you want that. You can pause that if you want to. Or 3-inch stainless steel blade, 4-inch polypropylene handle, liner lock, and pocket clip. So, excuse me. I'm going to take this other Walmart knife that I have here. Ozark Trails with the axis lock on it right here. It's got blue accents. I like this one. So, I'm just going to take this one and open this one up with it. There we go. Let's go from there. Okay, let's go ahead and get this and throw it away. Take away the tip guard on it. Sorry about all these shadows in here, but maybe if I move the table up a little bit. Didn't help any. But anyway, we have a tip guard on here we're going to take off, throw away. It is a pretty nice looking pocket knife. Not uncomfortable at all. It's got a very slight hollow ground on it. In fact, it's almost a flat grind. Very, very close. Very close. One side feels like it's a flat grind, and one side feels like it's a very slight hollow grind. Anyway, it is what it is, right? Not a bad looking knife at all. There's a pocket clip on the back. It is not reversible. Polypropylene, I believe that's what it said for the scales. Let me close this one up. There is not a lanyard hook, but you can take this pocket clip off and use it as a regular pocket knife, not a clip-on. I don't feel any blade play in it. Liner lock. Closes very easy. Ooh, that's a real tight flip on there. Break it in a little bit. Looking at my shadows for my hands, kind of makes it look like two ducks fighting. But anyway, still a little bit too hard to flip open with my wrist. Still very hard to open with the flipper. Gonna take some getting used to it. But so far, I don't mind it at all. This right here, not the most comfortable against the finger. but it's not too bad either. This isn't going to be my favorite knife, my favorite cheap Ozark Trail knife, but sure isn't the worst either. I like the design of it. Kind of reminds me of an old buck knife. It's got the fingernail clip right here. Now, if you look close, the blade is not 100% centered. Let's see how it looks when I close it. This way, it's centered close enough for a $6 knife, right? This right here might be a little irritating in the pocket, rubbing your hand against it. That part I don't like. But I'll try it in my pocket for a few days. Got a piece of paper behind me. A piece of copy paper. Everybody likes to see how sharp they are out of the package. So let's give this a test. Ooh, that's not too bad at all. Not too bad at all, really. There you go. Takes a little bit getting used to. Might be one little nick in it right there. Let's see if we can find that. Yep. I can feel that nick in the blade. Just barely feel it. Not too bad at all. Now holding it like this, it does look kind of funny. The way the liner lock goes. This is a tip down, which means when it's folded in your pocket, the tip of the blade is pointed down. That's no personal preference. Some people like them point up, some people point down. To me, it doesn't really matter. You can see how I'm going to call it a flipper stud, but right here, as you open it up, let's go this way. Let's move this. As it's opened up, you can see how it disappears and comes out on this side. A little bit uncomfortable on the finger choil right here because of the grooves in the flipper. But $6 knife. You saw how sharp it was. Let's do that again. Not too bad. Not bad at all. I think I'm going to enjoy this one. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.